Welcome to St Andrews, the SPAB's Old House project. Over the years, this building has had many uses and after a period of neglect is sadly no longer in good condition. But this offers an opportunity for the SPAB to demonstrate its approach to building conservation. Through this, we aim to offer on-site training and online learning. So come and have a look. When the monastery was closed in Henry VIII's time, the chapel became a house and this section of the building was added on. But left embedded within was this wonderful medieval wall, shielded for centuries from the weather and so beautifully crisp in all its details. Retaining too its ancient surfaces, which the Society is very, very keen to retain and protect. But equally, this building has to be made habitable again, and that's our challenge, to balance the ancient against the usefulness in the present period. Up here on the first floor, we get a real sense of the building as a medieval chapel, with its wonderful 15th century oak roof, still in remarkably good condition after centuries of existence. But this is a building at risk, and the evidence of it here is in this structural movement, where the gable wall has moved outwards, causing quite serious problems. We can mend this. We can also conserve the historic plasterwork. It's made from earth, probably dug from the ground around the house itself. After conservation, the room will be entirely habitable again and the building usable as a home. Back on the ground floor, we're still within the ancient chapel, but in this room you get a really strong sense of the many layers of the building's history. These are extremely important to the SPAB because they tell a story about the lives lived within the structure. So take this fireplace. We have the chimney inserted after the building ceased to be a chapel, and then several fire surrounds overlaying one another. The latest being this 1930s tiled fireplace, which is echoed in the Art Deco lino floor covering. Between the 1930s, when this was introduced, and about 1970, this space was actually used as the local post office. So people were coming in here to buy their stamps, to deliver their letters. And that was all part of the building's wonderful story. 500 years ago, you might have come here as a pilgrim, but join us today as part of a new chapter in the building's long history.